middle-class act.
Congratulations, Captain!
I'm gonna make you scream! Ah!
Of course it will! Smells like smoke!
Gonna change right now. Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go!
I've followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Let's stop here for a while.
Let's stop. Oh.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of nowhere.
And all the little crappies have gone night-night.
No, I ain't saying that. You tell me.
Flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
gold flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
We're gonna be a lap down and we'll never win this race!
Rito, it's time.
Good. I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I make some.
To third place.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
No, cars that don't ever work right. Lemons is a tow truck's bread and butter. Like them gremlins and pacers we run.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's so
the difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself.
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
But I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice.
Thanks, guys.
Of history's biggest loser cars.
And they're all taking their orders from the car behind this engine.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Hiding, but there's a big blue sky waiting right.
Still has a chance.
Just go do your job.
Yes, sir.
Dig up that spoiler and those... Counter? Yes, that's me. Chester Whipplefilter.
And I'm Francis.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano.
Well, what's he saying?